Hello everyone. I want to share what we call the longevity salad. Believe it or not, this is our salad that we make and we love it so much. I heard from a conference that I went where most of the components of this salad was known as longevity foods. I'm talking here onion, as you can see, pieces of onions, and we have garlic in the sauce. We have tomatoes. We have some leaves that would be mixed vegetables. So you have you have a little bit of green cabbage, you have some arugula, you have some so a mixture of different greens, and it's sold as a mixed greens, and it's organic version. So I just want to share this with you. This is absolutely longevity salad. We make this with a little bit of, so these are all fresh, right? Everything fresh, every piece of component here of food here is organic. We also add some avocado. If you're trying to lose weight, be careful with avocados, not too much. Has great healthy oils, however they do have fat. So for somebody who is trying to lose weight, they will not want to eat too much of the avocados. Okay, so this bit here is a single avocado cut into 4 slices. We're gonna put 2 on our salad here, and my husband and I would finish this in two days. So 2 servings for 2 of us, meaning that's about 4 servings. With this, we might eat a little bit of potatoes or some very low caloric bread with no sugar added, so something like that. Homemade, also all organic. Then something I want to show you guys here is this sauce that I use for my salad there. Its components are, so you have garlic, ginger, parsley that have been shelled and grated, and garlic and ginger, and then parsley cut into tiny pieces. Then you have lemon squeeze in that. Then you also have apple cider vinegar, the organic version, a spoon of that. And then I have a little bit of honey and a drop of olive oil, just to have things in a good smooth consistency. It's really a drop. These I use as sauce for this wonderful salad. The reason why it's called longevity salad, again, as you can see, it has a lot of your anti-inflammatory products, also cancer-killing foods such as garlic. Then you also have onions, and you have some cruciferous vegetables. You have a lot of nuts and seeds. I throw in, if you look carefully here, you will see pumpkin seeds, and then some walnuts as well, all raw organic. So you want to make sure that you're really using clean foods, guys. And then we have in the slices of apple. We take a half apple, we have an apple, and then we clean and we chop, we cut into squares and throw in there. We have tomatoes, we have, you can see cucumbers, and yeah, tomatoes, cucumbers, peppers, mixed colored peppers. You can see these are sweet peppers, of course. You have the orange, you have red, you have yellow. So 3 types of different sweet peppers that we chop. We also slice into thin slices, and we throw in there. So altogether, amazing salad. This really feels good and reduces stress. It does, actually. Okay, guys, just wanted to share my longevity salad. I didn't come up with the name. I went to a conference and they said they had longevity salad, and I looked at it, and they named the ingredients, and it was everything I have in this salad. So here it's its new name, longevity salad. Okay, if you want to know more about longevity salad, give us a call, or write down in the chat. Let me know and I will tell you more about this longevity salad. Okay, have a wonderful day. Enjoy.